Hello everyone, welcome back to Captain Kelly's Chinese class. I know a lot of you having trouble pronouncing these sounds, and today I will teach you how to pronounce these sounds correctly. Before helping you to pronounce these sounds, it's really important to know our positioning of the mouth. So here is the lips, this is the teeth, this is alveolar ridge, this area behind the teeth, alveolar ridge, and this is the hard palate, this area, and this is our tongue. I will use it for the positioning of the tongue. The first one, C, the tip of your tongue touches the lower teeth. This is your tip of your tongue. Touches the lower teeth, and your tongue body is close to the hard palate, but they are not touched completely, but they are close. So positioning like this. Pronounce T, lets the air flow out, but not with the burst. So there's no aspiration. With this, your mouth will open slightly like a smile. Ji, ji. If you really want to find something similar in English, deep, ji. But the difference is that this Chinese pinyin, ji, your tongue body is more close to the hard palate than the English deep. Let's pronounce it again. Ji, ji. Okay, the second one. Qi, qi. The positioning of the mouth of qi is the same as the first one, ji. The only difference is that qi is aspirated. What means by that is that the air flow out with the burst out. Show me your hand, who's in front of your mouth. Let's pronounce the first one. Ji, ji, ji. You can see the air is really light. It doesn't have a burst of air coming out. So if you pronounce qi aspirated, show me your hand. The position is the same as the first one, ji, but lets the air come out with a burst. Qi, qi. You can see that your hand can feel a lot of air coming out. So ji, no aspiration, no air that's coming out strongly. Qi is aspirated. There is a burst of air that is going to flow out. Cheese, chi, sounds similar to qi. It has a little bit different. The Chinese pinyin qi, the pronunciation is more forward and the tongue body is closer to hard palate. Qi, qi. Let's see the third one. Xi. The tip of your tongue also goes under your lower teeth, and your tongue body is closer to the hard palate, and it's no aspiration sounds. So the sound does not come out as a burst. Here you feel like the air is coming out through the little narrow space. The air comes out and creating a soft hiss. Xi, xi. In English, xi is really similar to xi. The positioning tongue of the xi is closer to the hard palate and lets the air out through the narrow space without aspiration. So the three sounds is aspirated. It's only qi. Okay, let's read one more time. 鸡 鸡 七 七 xi 西 The next one 知 知 The tip of your tongue curl back and to touch the alveolar ridge, which is a little bit up of your teeth, so around here, and your tongue body is close to the hard palate. And let's create a sound. 知 The sound 知 does not have expiration, so the air flows smoothly out. 知 is similar to the English word genre. 知 But 拼音知 does not has the nose sound. 知 is 知 and also the tongue curve more than the genre. 知 知 The next one 吃 is aspirated. I use this symbol because it looks like air burst out. 吃 is so similar to 知. The only difference, remember, is like this. 鸡 and 七 知 and 吃, the air bursts out with the strong flow. The positioning of your tongue is the same. So the tip of your tongue goes behind the alveolar ridge, and then your tongue body is really close to the hard palate. But the only difference is that you have to send the air out with a burst. Show me your hands and let's pronounce the first one. No expiration, so it means that no strong air that is coming out. 知 知 The second one, the same position of your tongue and a strong air that come out abruptly. 吃 吃 Can you feel that? One sound is similar in English. Charm 吃 吃 The differences between this is that Chinese 吃 you have to curl your tongue a little bit further and you have to let the air flow out with a puff. 吃 吃 吃 知 and 吃 Look at the position of your tongue. Let's say I will move the tongue. 知 吃 You have to go down to make the air out. 知 吃 But with the sound of shi, the tip of your tongue is close to the alveolar range and it's also close to the hard palate but not touching it. So the air flows out between the narrow space of the tongue body and hard palate, squeezing out here like shi, shi. It's similar to the English word xi, shi. But the difference is that 拼音 shi, you have to curl your tongue a little bit more than this. Curl a little bit more. Shi, shi. Shi is also no expiration, so no strong air coming out like a puff. Let's pronounce it one more time. 知 知 吃 吃 shi 诗 So let's learn the last three sounds. The first one 滋 滋 The tip of your tongue is behind your upper teeth and your tongue is flat. So you let air out smoothly. So it's no expiration sound. means that there is no strong air coming out. So smoothly, zi, 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 zi. These three sounds is more focused on your teeth area. That pronunciation come out from behind your teeth, really in front. It's similar to the English word baz. Z. The difference is that z does not have the nasal sound like z. Z, and the tip of your tongue is touching the upper teeth. Okay, next one. C, c. It is expirated. So the air, unlike z, it bursts out. The positioning is all the same. Let's do this again. The tip of your tongue, it's around upper teeth, behind upper teeth. Your tongue is flat and let the air burst out like c, c. Let's say the first one. Show me your hands again. First one, c, c. The second one, c, c. You can see the air is bursting out. It's similar to English word cat. The difference is that c has a strong air that comes out. C, c. So let's say the last one. C, c. C does not touch the upper teeth. It has a tiny little bit space. Do not touch it. And it's also a flat tongue position. So let the air come out through the space between your tongue body and heart paddle. So they come out like s, s, s. You don't need to touch your upper teeth, because if you do, the air wouldn't come out smoothly. It's like z. So s also is no expiration, so no strong air that's coming out, just coming out smoothly. It sounds the English word si, s. And remember, pinyin s, the tongue is flat. S, s. Okay, let's pronounce these three sounds again. Z, z, c, c, s, s. After this lesson, I think you already can pronounce these sounds. And it's not as hard as you thought, right? If you have any question, you can leave on the comments and I will answer it. I hope you will subscribe my channel and like my video, and I will see you next time. Bye!